Today we're sharing a guide on how to operate the FOTRIC UltraDynamics R&D Bench. First up, is the overall design of the UltraDynamics R&D Bench. The vertical latches adjust the height and horizontal rotation of the bracket system. The horizontal latch adjusts the horizontal movement and vertical rotation of the bracket. Let's take a look at the regional adjustment system of the FOTRIC UltraDynamics R&D Bench. The vertical swivel lock adjusts the vertical rotation of the camera. The horizontal rotation lock adjusts the horizontal rotation of the camera. The incremental movement knob fine-tunes the position of the camera. This has been a tutorial on how to use the FOTRIC UltraDynamics R&D Bench. Using this bench, you can maneuver the camera to reach every position and every angle to meet your demand.